everybody? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. Do you want to convert your mining rewards or staking rewards into THOR nodes in order to generate passive income? Well, this step-by-step walkthrough is for you. Let's do it. Let's go and convert ETH into THOR nodes. So firstly, if your Ethereum is on the Ethereum network, we need to transfer this over to the Avalanche network. Head over to the Avalanche Ethereum bridge, link in the description box below. Connect your wallet to this webpage. I'm using MetaMask in this demo. I'm going to be converting 1.2 ETH in order to buy 13 THOR coins. And then I'm going to be using this to buy one THOR node. So that's going to be costing me 12.5 THOR. When you've decided the amount that you want to transfer, click the transfer button. At this point, in order to transfer ETH to the AVAX network, it requires 2 transactions. In the first transaction, you're wrapping your ETH, which is done on a 1-to-1 ratio, i.e. 1 ETH for 1 wrapped Ethereum. As you can see, this is costing me $30 in gas at the time of recording this. You then go and press the confirm button, wait for it to be confirmed. This takes about 10 seconds-ish. Another MetaMask window pops up. This is to confirm the transaction number 2. And in this transaction, basically we're transferring wrapped ETH to the AVAX network. Press confirm to do so. Then this window loads. From here, it takes 35 confirmations on the Ethereum network side, which typically takes between 6 to 10 minutes to complete. For me, I think it's around about 8 minutes it takes. While you're waiting, you can add the AVAX network to your MetaMask if you haven't already done so. Add wrapped ETH token. Click. Then we have to wait for the AVAX side confirmation. This is a lot shorter than the ETH side and takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Once the second part of the transaction is complete, you can see the gas costs here. You can use the Explorer links to view the transaction records on both sides of the blockchain here. So now after all this, you have wrapped ETH in your AVAX wallet, as you can see. After doing this, you can head over to Trader Joe. Again, link below if you need a link. From the drop down box, select wrapped ETH and the amount that you want to transfer. Make sure you have selected THOR to swap into. Click the approve button. This is giving Trader Joe permission to access your wrapped ETH in your wallet. Click the confirm and then wait until it's approved. Trader Joe will show you the best route from wrapped ETH to THOR. As you can see here, it's wrapped ETH to wrapped AVAX to THOR. And this is in order to try and keep your transactions costs at a minimum, so it's giving you the most efficient route. Press the confirm swap button. After doing so, head over to the THOR Financial App. Connect your wallet. Once connected, you can see that your THOR's here and you can see your wallet address. Approve the THOR contract. Click confirmed. Once confirmed, select the node you want. Make sure you're selecting the correct node. Then once you're happy with that, type in your node's name. This can be any name you want. Click create node and then confirm it in your wallet. And then after a couple of seconds, the node will appear in the My Node section. And that's you. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Sub if you want to see some more THOR content. There's much more coming very soon. Like if you found the video useful. Really helps the channel out and I really appreciate it. And I just want to say hope everyone has a fantastic day and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye just now.